Welcome to an overview demonstration of the Enterprise IQ Human Resources and Workforce modules from IQMS. We will look at what IQMS has to offer from a human capital management perspective, which includes recruit and applicant tracking, employee training needs and records, illness and injury tracking, as well as benefits management and payroll. Let's look at the applicant tracking features within the Workforce module of Enterprise IQ. The system streamlines and standardizes the requisition and application process by managing open positions and tracking applicants, including their history and skills. In the Requisitions module, users can track all current job openings, including job description, job opening date, and number of positions available, as well as the current state of advertising for that position. Moving over to the Applicant's Maintenance module, users can track the status of an applicant through the hiring process, as well as link any pertinent documents or emails, such as their resume, reference list, or other notes. The tabs at the bottom of the screen allow for tracking details about the applicant and the hiring process. Users can quickly track the jobs to which the applicant has applied. The human resources details for each applicant can also be viewed as well as their status. Users can see any notes that apply to the applicant regarding the interview process, as well as create a workload for the hiring process. This will ensure consistent process is always followed for a user's hiring workflow. Once the hiring process is completed and an applicant has been hired, users can easily transfer their details to payroll, as well as employee maintenance, by clicking Transfer to Payroll. As you can see, the Workforce module allows users to easily track any open job positions and any applicants through the hiring process. Next, we'll dive into the Employee Records module and see all the various details that can be tracked and managed per employee. These details include benefits, payroll, details, emergency contacts, personal information, and so on. As you can see, there are a lot of details about each employee that can be tracked in the Employee Maintenance module. The bottom of the screen provides many tabs that allow users to track different details regarding an employee, such as their information, including details about job description, hire date, last review date, and termination date. Users can also track basic HR information, which are the details that come over from the Applicant's Maintenance module. Payroll details regarding wages, taxes, deductions, direct deposit information, and benefits can all be tracked from the Employee Maintenance screen. Lastly, any emergency contacts that need to be listed for that employee can be put into this screen as well. As always, users can track or attach any documents that are pertinent to this employee within the Documents tab. IQMS does offer full payroll capabilities for processing both in the United States and Canada. For more information on the payroll functionality in Enterprise IQ, please visit our website at iqms.com. The system also provides an employee self-service portal that allows employees to log in using our secure, web-based module to view and make updates to their own personal and benefit information. Key information available in the self-service portal includes taxes and deduction information, vacation, holiday, and sick days, emergency contact details, personal information, dependent and beneficiary information, and lastly, training and certification details. Let's now look at the Training and Skills Tracking modules. These modules provide the tools necessary to manage and verify staff development. Documentation of employee training is an important aspect of ISO certification. It provides quick and easy answers to questions such as, what are the requirements for a job? Who is qualified for that job? Who has the latest revision for any training? And which employee records require an update? Let's now look at the Job Descriptions module. Here, users can manage the job descriptions as well as define the skills needed for each job. In the Skills module, users can define the skills needed as well as the training requirements for each skill, of which training documents can be attached. As documents are updated in Revision Control in the Document Control module, employees will be decertified in that training requirement and be alerted to retake the training course. Within the Employee Training module, users can track or monitor employee training history with current job and skill requirements. Users can also automatically get notifications of expired certifications and track and manage specific training course requirements. As you can see, Enterprise IQ Workforce modules allow full track and trace tools to manage employee training records. The last Workforce module we will visit is Work-Related Injuries and Illness. This module provides the tools, forms, and reports required to track all work-related injuries and illnesses per OSHA, as well as participation in the safety and health of employees. As you can see, users have a detailed incident report and tracking logs to meet OSHA's requirements. Users can track lost days, injury location, as well as injury type and costs. Users can also associate internal or external documents to a specific injury or illness record by using the Documents tab. The Work-Related Injuries and Illnesses module has built-in injury statistics that automatically calculate incident rates per plant or company-wide. Lastly, under the Reports tab, users have built-in OSHA report forms, such as Form 300, 300A, and 301. That concludes our comprehensive overview of the Human Resources and Workforce modules available to you in Enterprise IQ. As you can see, IQMS provides you with all the tools you need for human capital management. If you would like more information on the products and services from IQMS, please visit IQMS.com.